You want that guy that you've always had a crush on forever? Girl, it's time to get exactly what you've always wanted. Life is short, win him over. Hey, if you're new, welcome to Alpha Mode. All things dating, love, and lifestyle, and so much more. We're happy to have you. Guys are not always the easiest to figure out, but we have your back. This is 10 ways to get the guy you want now. First of all, be playful and willing to try and experience his favorite things. Men love bringing out their inner child in themselves, and being playful is a huge turn on. Not only playful, but trying and experiencing things they love. Maybe it means trying his favorite sushi, or doing taekwondo, or hiking a mountain he's always wanted to hike. Don't be shy, show him that you have what it takes to be his mate and join him for all of his favorite things. Number 2, learn about him and show true appreciation for who he is. Learning and asking your crush more about himself is a huge win. Men want a woman that will listen and genuinely cares about him. Multiple studies have shown that men think women that listen are sexier than women that wait for their turn to talk. So listen to him ramble away and ask things that you're genuinely curious about. It's time to get a master's degree in your man. This alone could be the icing on the cake. Number 3, be confident and be you. Men love confident women. There is nothing prettier than a woman being herself, being confident in her own skin, and knowing exactly what she wants. Confidence has been a huge win for men for ages. On a survey, men said that they would rather date an average-looking woman with great confidence than a super hot girl with no confidence or little confidence. So be you and let him see your true colors. Number 4, give him a taste but never a bite. Tease me like you do. 50 Shades of Grey comes to our mind when we see this quote. Like we mentioned earlier, men love playfulness. It's a huge win, and this is no exception. We could do a whole video on how to tease him or how to leave him wanting more, but just don't give him the whole sushi bar on the first night. Trust me. Number 5, smell good and dress nice. Girl, if you were trying to win over Prince Charming, put on your cutest outfit, and good hygiene is a must. There has been so many studies out there that certain perfumes instantly makes a man more attracted to you. Learn your perfume one-on-one, and this could change everything. You can always get perfume samples to test before you make a big investment into the wrong scent, or you could even do something kind of cute and take your man to the mall and let him tell you which scent he loves, and even have him spray it on you. Number 6, genuinely compliment him. Men love knowing what you find fascinating about him. This is a big ego boost for him, and on top of that, it lets him know that you care enough and so much that you're picking up on the cute little things that other women might have missed out on or totally take for granted. Show him how much you truly care about him. This is your time to shine. Number 7, bring out his inner child. We've talked about playfulness in tip number 1, but number 1 thing men say that is a giant turn on is a playful date. Men are giant children. We've known this for ages. Am I right? So bringing out his inner child, go-kart racing, sneak into a basketball court, play ball together before you get caught, maybe even go skinny dipping in that country club that you could never get into. There is something about a little risk and a ton of playfulness that is a huge win and will go so far in his book, further than you could ever imagine. Tip number 8, this is a big one. Don't be available all the time. It's one thing to be crazy about a man, it's another just to be crazy. Men love a good mystery. You have heard this a million times, and I know you're dying to call him back and hear his voice, but honestly, go be busy. Show him that you have a life and you're not a stage 5 clinger. Go work out, hang out with your girlfriends, maybe even go to the movies by yourself. I know it may sound odd, but this gives you so much more to talk about next time you see him, and it all together makes you an even more interesting date. Number 9, learn how to kiss. Now, I'm not going to give the 4-on-1 on kissing on this video. I'll save that for another video, but I don't care what it takes. Learn to kiss. Practice on your hand. Get your nose in a good kissing book. Watch YouTube videos. I don't even care if you practice on a friend. Whatever it takes, learn to kiss. A good kiss is a freaking game changer. Number 10, when he talks, listen. I know we all have a little ADD in us, especially in today's age and time. But when he talks, truly listen. This is on top of most men's love languages. Not only is it good to develop a good foundation for the relationship to stand on, but it makes you a great human being. Listen to him, and he will love you for it. Number 11, this is the biggest tip of all. Make sure you are 500% ready to date. Clear your heart and your soul. Let go of old baggage once and for all. The last thing you want to do is use your man that you're crazy about for free therapy sessions. Do whatever it takes to heal past damage or hurt. We all have them, and some of those heartbreaks and hurts inside of us will take years to heal. Some of them may never heal fully. However, at least position yourself in the best possible way to be ready and open for a good, healthy relationship. You got this, and just know that you are worth $1 million, and we can't wait to see you land the man of your dreams. If you have any big tips or you want to share something or add some more tips, add them to the comments below, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Before you go, subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you in our next video.